Hello, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, chapter 32, using regular expressions in JavaScript, part 2, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about how to use regular expressions in JavaScript. So in the last session we learned like what is regular expression, and also we wrote some regular expression pattern, okay, and we learned some basic things about the regular expression. But right now what we are going to do is we are going to write the regular expression in the JavaScript function, and we are going to work right now. So here I have a task to be done, and here is the example. So task tells you like from the above strings, these are the two strings, we need to extract only the numbers, but keep in mind we have to use the regular expression for that task. So without wasting much time, let me jump into Visual Studio Code and let me show you a demo of it. So it's very simple, and this page you can observe here have an input type text and input type button, and as well as I have a text area. Now when I push this page to the browser, let me show you how it renders there. When I double click on that, it's navigating us to the Chrome browser. There you can observe very clearly what we are going to get is we're going to get a input type text box and a button as of now with the value fetch number and the text area. Now what I need to do is I need to enter this string, okay, this string inside this text box, and when I click on this button, okay, it has to filter only the numbers and it has to pass into this text area. So to achieve that, I need to write a pattern matching, that is regular expression. So how do I do that? So I'll write my own regular expression for that, and I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. So what I need to do is first let me jump into Visual Studio Code, and here I need to define a function. So it's in the uppercase function, and the function name is start fetch number, okay. So and here is a function. So what I'll do is first I need to get the value from the text box. So document dot get element by ID. So I need to get the data from this text box. So I'm taking that ID and I'm pasting it inside, and what I need to take is the value of it, the value inside the text box. So I've done that. Let me store it in some variable like input string, okay, and I've done with this. Now let me scroll up. So after that what I need to do is let me take another variable. So to this let me pass this input string, and now I want to write a regular expression, okay. Whatever the input we pass, from that we are to fetch the number itself. So I can make use of the string object match method, okay. I have to make use of string objects match method. So here I need to write my regular expression. So it is, if I need to get only the number, then I have to make use of /d. D represents the digit, and I have to attach plus, because it's going to select the complete number in the string, and it should match in the entire page or entire web page. So that is, it should match the entire string which is present in the global. So G represents global, it's a modifier, okay. And now what I'll do is first I need to tell like if that result whatever it is coming is not equal to null, okay. If it is not equal to null, so what I need to do is I need to make use of for loop. Here I need to make use of where I equals 0. Then I need to tell like I should be greater than or less than, sorry. So result dot length, okay. Then after that result dot length, then I'm making use of plus plus, incrementing it. Then here I need to print that value inside the text area. So how do I identify the text area? With the help of ID. So get element by ID. So the ID is result area, okay, dot value, sorry, it's value, attach the data to that, okay. then iterate it. So result of high, it has to come in the next line, the each number whatever we pass. So I'll make use of \r and \n to do that work. Okay, now our code is ready. Now what I'll do is, let me go now on click of the button, we have to on the click of the button it has to filter the data, filter the number. So on to the button I'm going to call on click attribute. So then I'm going to pass this function to it. So on click this function is going to execute. So let me go back and let me refresh. Now I'll pass a string which is similar to this 908 abc12xy. So let me give that itself, or let me give my own number 908 abc12xy 456. Now when I click on this, you can observe here it is filtering only the number from it, and it's a complete number. 908 is a complete number, and 12 as well as 456. Okay, let me refresh again and let me, okay, now what I need to do is, now let me go back and let me remove this plus as of now, do Control S, let me go back and let me refresh. Now I'll come here 908 abc12xy. Now when I click on fetch number, you can observe each number, after fetching each digit, okay, it is considering the next number as separate digit, so it's printing in the next line. So if I don't add this plus, okay, it does not consider it as a complete number. That's the reason I'm adding plus here. So now let me add $12 $85 abc 456. Now when I click on this, you can observe here again it is fetching only the number, okay, because it is matching the pattern, the regular expression pattern. You're telling I'm can take the only digit, okay, and apply it globally, and this plus gives you a complete number. So this is what the simple example, okay, and we achieved the task whatever we have specified here. Okay, from the above strings we are fetching only the number with the help of regular expression. So here is my regular expression written, and this works very well. So this is what we learned in this session, like how to work with the regular expressions inside our JavaScript function and achieve the task. So that's for the day. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page within this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our website. We're on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.